Hi, this is Andrew Myers. I'm just going to show you one of the new options we've got coming in Eureka 5. Sometimes when you create an implicit model like this with our 4 data set, you might end up with bits that are above the topography. For example, there's this really bad area here, but we also have parts here that are poking above the topography. So what we've got is a new option to clip the solids against the topography. And we do that under Surface, Combination Surface, and we say Solid and Topography. So that's a new option on this panel. And we pick all our objects. So Shift select the topography and the solids, and I say keep solid below. And I'll display in a new view and OK. And there's our solids that have been clipped. And if I bring the topography in there, we can see that that's now all correct. So that's new for Eureka 5.